On occasion, while extending a volume in Windows, you may come across this obscure error that just says the parameter is incorrect. As a matter of fact, that is an error that frequently occurs in Windows 10, 8, 7, XP and Vista. The cause for that error is various, so does to the situation. Let's try first. Same error. You can try with check disk command. But as we are extending a partition, so we will go with a quick and easy way using OMI Partition Assistant. Search for OMI Partition Assistant and click on the first search result. Once download finished, click on it to install it and follow the options as you need. Click Finish and run the program. As you can see, we have same partition as before here. Right-click on it and click on Resize Partition. And extend the partition using big green slider. Click OK. After this you need to click on Apply button, then click Yes, but make sure you did correct change. Wait for the process to finish. Let's check our partition from Explorer. Now we have our partition resized successfully without any issue. If you want to download this tool, check the description.